Let's make one of the bluff breakfasts in South Sudan or in Northern Sudan entirely, in Sudan. It's called Zalabia, and it's one of breakfast that has been around for generation and generation, and people still love it no matter what. No matter where you are or what you're doing, what you're eating in the morning, Zalabia is always in the morning of everyone back home, especially South Sudan. You'll always find it in everyone's breakfast. That's what people take with tea, with milk, and with everything. There's something called chai laban. People will take it with chai laban. People will take it with black tea. Some take it too with coffee or maybe like other thing to drink with. As long as morning and you just want something snack. This is one of the famous and popular breakfasts, and I'm gonna be teaching you today. I'm gonna show you step by step, and you can just make it in your own space when you have time. It is a tutorial for beginners and someone who is advanced and doesn't know which one to use. So what I did, I grabbed a glass of water and grab a glass of milk, and then put the yeast about 4 to 5 teaspoons and some ghee or something like it's called milk in the language I was taught. So that what we put in it. So as you do it, you leave it for a while, about 15 minutes, and come back and check so that you know the yeast you're using is working. So when you mix it and put the flour right away and it hasn't rise, you will not know if you hadn't tried that yeast before. But for me, I'm well aware with this yeast. I've been using it for a very long time, and I use it with many different dishes I've been doing actually. So you just bought the yeast and you haven't used it for a while. Just try first with the water and just see for 15 minutes it'll come up or not. So what I used was a purpose flour, and I did use the herb a bit making bread on the other day, and the herb that what I'm using today to make Zalabia. So I put the entire flour inside and knit it with water. What you need to do with this one, you don't you don't leave it dry that much. You don't make it a paste, and you don't make it a butter either, and you don't make it that strong. You make it about average, not too soggy, not too much. Like you make it average, like a butter, like a paste. Like that how it should be. Not too. I don't know the word, but يعني ما ممكن يعني يكون حاجة ده تمام كده. خلي الدقيق يكون لين حبة عشان أخلي لك عشان تعمل حاجة ده بنظام. حاجة ده زلابيا ده انتوا تعرفين، بس زلابيا ده بتاع السودان الناس كله قاعد يحبوا شديد، ده الساعة 7 كمان breakfast. So ده tutorial في الناس الجداد اللي نزلوا بعرف يعملوا وما بعرف يعملوا ده، أو كويس مع الناس البيجينرز. لو ده أول مرة تقدر تعمل ده Zalabia وأنا قاعد نعمله. This is the full tutorial. When you're done doing that, you leave it for about an hour to rise, and then you come back and check again, and then you make sure that you checking it and it's rise well enough, and then you will be putting it a corner in your palm, and then squeeze it out like that, and then you will cut it with your hand and put it inside the oil. When the oil is heat, cook it about the time it's become golden brown. Make sure the oil is heat first so that it doesn't drink the oil actually, or doesn't take too much oil inside. ده بقول خلي oil يكون حار عشان ما هيدا ما يشرب زيت فوقه. كان زلابيا يا جماعة قوة نيكو. Zalabia is one of black food in South Sudan. Lo gan kana angiku. Na iran pyoj ka kane lo ya diging du ina ye nuai kane lo e piu ka wal cha kume hawai kume ja kamira ku ja nuai bi pio na chi jo pio ka ja pol ja tal bezet kuna woyen ke kamira kana kon tem ke pol kamira bi kon pio na chi kamira jo kon pio ka ja bon wal ja digik ku je ile dig tin actually ene yine loy ku ja tatwak abi jo a golden brown chiman to ya biya kana yana ya jenya kana yana ka chetwa ko kwe puk yan chi yom chitong diena na chi gyo to ka ba ke gyo wonya ko na tane tal ka kan chi man ngi yogen. We all know ina midwan japai be pi, so kana ding yan inwe gen yo baden ka jabe lo explain awal de na ele biya ka mete ngur ko kuilo ni ko big pi ina yana lo ya lo le ko ti ya kan chi man mit ko ko you be da ta dan ku bi ke be wo ku bi ke ga ting ke ka cham ki one of their food ka ngi big ta, and so that why I yan kana loy and be akada o ko ina pedar dida. When you done flipping them, make sure that you don't let them stay inside the oil way that much so they can burn, and that is not a good idea. And the one thing I forgot to add, make sure that you add a bit of salt inside when you are forming it at its ease, because without salt will not taste good. You can go with sugar, but I advise you to go with salt so that you can add you can put sugar later on, but the salt shouldn't be that really much and shouldn't be that strong inside. Just put a little bit and make sure you keep doing this until your dough is done inside uh, the what you're using. So when the dough is done, why we put it in our palm and squeeze it out so that it's become uniform. So like that why we do like that. But if you have confidence in your ability to just remove it by hand, one piece is fine. You can go ahead and do it. That's what other people do. For me, it's not even like perfect uniform, but I'm trying because I'm using it in my hand. Normally, you use oil, but I'm using water because I don't want too much oil inside the dough. Because the dough is still gonna take some oil in the frying, during the frying process. So I just wanted to keep it simple and nice, so anyone can be able to eat and anyone can be able to enjoy it. One thing I love about this one, you can even take them to walk, take them to the park, especially during the summertime. When you make them, you can even take them there and go and have them. And the good thing is they don't have sugar. The bee is not gonna bother you because they are fish like very good, and the aroma is so good to the point like you will not even want to not make them if you make them for the first time. So you are just watching, you come across my channel for the first time, thank you for staying to watch, and I appreciate you. If you don't mind, you can just click like, subscribe, and watch the other video on there, and let me know in the comment section, will you try it and what do you call it in your language, because we have many different names in the food we eat in this world. So to see how, like, I will see you in the video. I have many video coming up there. I'll be able to see you on the next video. You click and you can find a easy recipe and traditionally also simple meal for a mother who's sick. Like I recently tell you guys, I am pregnant and I've been tired for a while now. So I just need a simple recipe and easy so that I don't get tired more. I just make something that easy for me and I can manage very well. Yeah, like you guys know, pregnancy is not an easy, especially in the first trimester. It's really hard. But I'm happy to be able to share this with you guys, and it's one of the black breakfast and amazing. Thank you for watching. See you in this video coming up here.